Hi, I am Kedger on two wheels and today I am in a tracer. Thing is, if you have noticed the color, this is not my tracer. So, why am I riding another tracer? Simple. The dealership guy has tested my tracer. He's ridden it. He went to the shop with it, so he's ridden a bit with it, back to the shop, which is not on the dealership, and back a couple of times. And after one ride, he told me, listen, you need to change your front fork oil. And I must confess, I was a bit, yeah, right, you just want to sell me a new set of front fork oil. It's oil, it's not going anywhere. Why do I need to change it? But he was very insistent, said, no, your bike is too soft at the front. That oil needs to be changed. It should have been changed a long time ago and you really need to change it. But I kind of postponed it and kind of ignored it because, well, it feels fine. So now he has a test drive machine, which is a tracer just like mine. This is this year's bike, but there's no changes except for the color. I really dig this matte blue color, phantom blue, it's awesome. And he told me, you have to try the new one to see the difference to your bike. I'm up for that, so that's why we are here. Let's see if there's an actual difference or if he's just selling me snake oil. There's one difference. This one sounds like shit because mine has an Gopro, which sounds absolutely gorgeous. Gives a lot of pleasure to the ride. This one doesn't. This one feels lighter, doesn't have crash bars, and the windscreen is shorter, but it does feel a lot lighter. I just hope it's just not suspension. Thank you. The Gopro also gives it a bit more of oomph, and you can feel the difference because I can feel it. Remember, I ride mine every single day. Wait a minute. Holy shit, that's not... What? Holy crap! He was right. No, I have to be... This has to be... suggestion. This feels... different from mine, like... on rails. Not a tiny difference, it's a huge difference. The rear is exactly the same. I tested it on that undulating bump back there, but the front is just perfect. It's wow, what a... holy crap, I really do need to change the frigging oil. Oh, they smoothed out my bump, my favorite bump there. Yeah, the exhaust makes quite a difference. It actually is quite feelable, the difference the exhaust makes. It does give it quite a bit more power. But the suspension? Man, this is an eye-opener. It is quite different. This is miles better. Feels much more sporty, stiffer, quicker to react. The front, the rear is exactly the same. I don't feel much of a difference in the rear as I went over undulating terrain, and it is not more uncomfortable. It's just dampened correctly. Oh, and my tires are better because my tires, they don't skid under these conditions here, and these do. I have the Michelin Pilot Road 5s, or the PR5s, or Pilot 5s, because they removed the road part. Or Road 5s, yes, they removed the Pilot part, that's it. The new Road 5s, which are the Pilot Road 4s, new tires, and they are better, they have more grip. The bike wouldn't skid there. I just got hit by a bug in the middle of the visor. Not nice. Oh, it's still squirming. You're alive? Go away then. Oh, now you're a smear. Jesus, this is something else. I need to do the change. I really do. And I was honestly expecting to only feel a difference here on these bends. Nope. That was almost freaking immediate. I did feel a bit of a difference, to be honest, riding here. But I discarded. I was going at the space behind cars and... never mind. It's probably just psychological because the windscreen's shorter and whatnot. No, there's a difference. The bike feels lighter. It's lighter to steer. This is way faster and easier. Way faster and easier than mine. It does feel like a completely different bike. Miles better, and I want this for mine. So, the more expenses, yay! As if I didn't need more expenses on the freaking bike. Jesus, fuck me. So that's what, 500? Deixa eu ver, 419 divisão dos 30 mais isto, o óleo são 100 e tal paus, 200 paus para aí. Yeah, I was distracted, and even distracted I can feel the difference. It's a lot harder to feel the difference going down than it is going up, but there is quite a difference. What is going on here? Beer distribution day? There's just people parking to walk around on these trails, which is actually quite a good idea. Very healthy and quite epic walks there. And this turn looks a lot different than I remember. The trees are darker green, lusher, and more. Oh yeah, this is something else. Yeah, yep. I need to change the front fork oil. No doubt about it. No doubt at all about it. I really do need to change the front fork oil. It's lighter, it's safer, it feels miles better. And what are the cops doing here? Come on, get. Yep, okay, so that's basically it. My bike also needs front fork oil. I did not expect that. I thought you didn't need to change the bloody thing. Apparently you do, and he's been telling me this since my last oil change, which was at 20,000 kilometers. So does that mean I have to change the front fork oil every 20,000 kilometers? That would be an unexpected expense. Is it because mine was a test ride machine and as such did a lot of wheelies and that fucked the front fork oil? I have no idea. This requires more investigation. And so on that bombshell, I leave you be. Cager out.